Welcome friends, in this video we are going to learn 35 plus fruits name. Let's have a look on the fruits, pictures, words, meanings. First one is custard apple. Sharifa. You can see in the picture what is custard apple. Next is cherry. Cherry in Urdu, cherry. Next is persimmon. Persimmon in Urdu, Japani phal. Melon. Melon in Urdu, kharbuza. Avocado. Avocado in Urdu, avocado. Grapefruit. Grapefruit. Chakodra. Cantaloupe. Cantaloupe mean garma. Spadilla. Spadilla mean chiku. Sweet potato. Sweet potato. Shakar kandi. Limes. Limes. Meete. Plum. Another name is damson. Aloo bukhara. Peach. Peach. Adu. Pineapple. Pineapple. Ananas. Pomegranate. Pomegranate. Anar. Strawberry. Strawberry in Urdu, strawberry. Guava. Guava. Amrud. Grapes. Grapes. Angur. Watermelon. Watermelon. Tarboos. Sweet lime. Sweet lime. Musammi. Blackberry. Blackberry. Jamun. Apricot. Apricot. Khobani. Kiwi. Kiwi in Urdu, kiwi. Jackfruit. Jackfruit. Kathal. Dragon fruit. Dragon fruit in Urdu, dragon phal. Gruya. Gruya. Falsa. Papaya. Papaya. Papita. Sugarcane. Sugarcane. Ganna. Loquat. Loquat in Urdu, loquat. Cranberry. Cranberry. Surber kata. Mulberry. Mulberry. Shehtut. Apple. Apple. Seb. Orange. Orange. Malta. Banana. Banana. Kela. Sour cherry. Sour cherry. Khatti cherry. Lychee. Lychee in Urdu, lychee. Pear. Pear. Nashpati. Jujube. Jujube. Anab. Tangerine. Tangerine. Sanghara. I hope you understood the words. Wish you good luck to all my viewers and subscribers. Goodbye.